How to fix Gemini AI not loading. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the procedure to fix Gemini AI not loading. To fix the AI on Google search powered by Gemini family of model from not loading, first you need to ensure that you have a stable internet connection. So basically you want to swipe down from the top, long press the internet connection, and then you want to go ahead and make sure to restart or refresh. That might be able to help you out. Next, if the issue still persists on, you could also check the Google Workspace status dashboard or other status website like down detector for any report outage in your region. And if the service or server are down, you could wait until Google fixes them as well. After which, you want to restart the app or device if nothing works out. You could then go ahead and restart, and that should be able to help. If not, you could also ensure the latest version of app from the Google Play Store or App Store is being used on, or that the web browser is up to date as well. So these are some of the ways to fix Gemini AI not loading. If nothing works out, then you could simply uninstall, or maybe you could try cleaning your cache or deleting the chat as well. If you want to delete chat, you basically have to tap on the three dot icon at the top left corner of your screen, and then you want to long press and then click on delete. So this way you'll be able to delete the chat. That's all. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.